This is Dr. Daniel Paul, orthopedic surgeon with Easy Orthopedics, and today I'm going to talk about how to get rid of a ganglion cyst. So most people get ganglion cysts. You can get them in different areas of the body, but a lot of people end up getting them in the wrist. What you'll find is that you kind of have this bump on your wrist, either on the front or the back, and that it may bother you, it may hurt, it may look unsightly. So the question is how you get rid of it. So what ganglion cysts are they are an outpouching of the joint itself, the joint capsule, and it kind of creates this stalk, and then all this joint fluid goes and kind of creates this bubble. If you were to open a ganglion cyst up, it kind of looks almost like mucus. So the question is how you get rid of them. So in the past, people would take a giant book, and they used to call them Bible cysts, because people would take a giant book or smash the wrist. While that might get rid of the cyst, at least temporarily, I would not recommend doing that because you could cause other damage to your wrist or hand. Sometimes if you leave them long enough, you'll eventually pop them, kind of doing your everyday activities, and they'll go away on their own. Other ways to get rid of them is you can have someone go and stick a needle in there and try and drain it out. The problem with all the previous things I mentioned is that may take care of the cyst part, but doesn't take care of the stalk, which goes all the way down to the joint. And really the only way to get rid of that is to do surgery, where you take the cyst out and you go down to the stalk and you cut the stalk off at the joint and you cauterize it. It's outpatient surgery, it's elective surgery. That being said, a lot of people want to avoid surgeries. So if it's not bothering you, you certainly have no harm in leaving it. And again, ganglion cysts are kind of soft and compressible. If you have a hard cyst or it's not compressible or it's enlarging, you definitely want to see a doctor to make sure it's not anything bad. But again, you can just live with it and see if it goes away on its own. Some people smash it. I don't recommend doing that. Or you can have a doc see it, stick a needle in it, or take it out surgically. Those are basically the ways to get rid of it. So I hope I was able to answer your question about how to get rid of a ganglion cyst. If you have any questions I didn't answer, feel free to leave them in the comments below. But note, I can't give you medical advice about your specific condition. If you like this video, we put out new content every week, so please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.